What's the meaning of brim? Brim. Brim.
Brim. Brim. The term brim can refer to the top edge or rim of a container, such as a hat or a cup. It defines the boundary or limit of a space, and can also describe something that is completely filled or overflowing. When a container is said to be brimming, it is typically filled to the very top, leaving no room for more. The word brim can also be used as a verb, suggesting that something is overflowing or spilling out, as in the river is brimming with water after the heavy rainfall. Overall, brim connotes a sense of fullness or completion.